Tell us about your recent article. You wrote an article, America Can Dominate Shenzhen, a
Mhm.
call for factory abundance.
Yeah, I mean, like in the simplest form, America should have like an extreme abundance of like supply chain and like specifically industrial supply chain just to be able to make anything in this country again. It was also like a lot of a call to culture, which I think will make that happen. Where people my age, as I'm 26, I guess people younger than me too, just like should be able to see a path to like making things in America again and like
Yeah.
jobs that like are meaningful and that like our grandparents used to do.
What are some of those jobs, and do you think that like that conflicts with like some of the values that young people have in America? Like, how do you see like the
Yeah.
sort of aspirational jobs and like what the aspirational jobs should be in your view?
Yeah, I mean, I think some of the jobs are the same as any other like San Francisco-based company. It's like founder, software engineer, like mechanical engineer, automation engineer. It's also like machinists, forklift material handlers, like very skilled technicians. I mean, most of the people can relate. Like most peers are like consulting or finance, which are great roles. And I'm not hating on those. I think that's what some people might think, but like it's really this gross like disproportion towards these like jobs that everyone's going into. Well, like Shenzhen is just steamrolling us with like this culture of like building and like if you need something next day, like any single part for any type of thing you need to make, like you will get it.